Hello there, creative. You're welcome to today's tutorial. Okay, all right, in today's tutorial we'll be making a bone fascinator, and the materials involved for today's class, we have our rose. You can use any kind of rose you want, and we also have our Alice band. This is a medium size. You can use the biggest size, but I don't have the biggest size. That's why I'm using this one. It comes in different sizes. We have our scissors for cutting. We have our feathers here. This is called it's a wire feather. Sorry, this is called a wire feather. You can choose to use any feather of choice. You can use pheasant feather. You can use star feather. Okay, so any type of feather you want. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be making use of our wire feather. And we have our bone in here. Okay. The bone, though it comes in different sizes, but I'm using the small size. If you see the big size, you can still use it. Okay, it will still go. And we have we have our velvet bias. This is the shiny type of velvet bias. It comes in two types, the plain one and the shiny type, and it comes in two different sizes, either the big size and the small one. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be making use of the big size of the shiny velvet bias. Okay, and we have our elastic band and our adhesive of choice. You can choose to use any adhesive of choice. For this tutorial, I'll be using UHU glue and hot glue. Okay, so anyone you come across, you are good to go with. And don't forget our needle and thread. Okay, all right, let's get into the video. Okay, so now we'll be making use of our bone. This is in the small size of the bone, like I introduced in the introduction. This one I'll be making use of the small size, but you can choose to make use of the big size if you want. Okay, I'll be making use of 4.5. This is 1 inches. This is 2 inches. This is 3 inches. This is 4 inches. So we'll be making use of 4 inches by 12.5. 4 yards, sorry. 4 yards, 12.5 inches. Okay, see it here. 4 yards, 12.5 inches for the boning. Alright, before we start, I'll be using my velvet bias to cover the edge of this, our bone. Now let me show you how to do it. Alright, so you apply your gum at the edge of your boning. Then you place your bias strip like this. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Place it like this. Take this other end this way. Then you bring it like this. Now you start wrapping it till you get to the end of your work. Make sure as you are dragging it, as you're tying it, as you're wrapping it, you're dragging your velvet bias so that it will be smooth. So this is how you keep doing it till you get to the other end of the boning. Okay, I will be doing this off my camera so that my video will not be lengthy. Okay, this is how to do it. If you can't do it this way I'm doing it, you see how tight it is. And make sure as you're doing it, you're slanting it this way. Don't take it like this round, because you end up consuming your fabric, your velvet bias. Don't take it round like this. Rather, you slant it like this. Are you seeing it? Don't take it round like this. Rather, you slant it so that this one now will be touching the edge of the previous split. So you slant it this way, then you turn again. You keep slanting it like this till you achieve your desired result. Okay, stay tuned.